So, you're thinking about moving to Annapolis, Maryland, and you're thinking you might like to buy a new construction home. In this video, we're going to discuss what home buyers often don't realize what to expect and look out for when buying a new construction home. We'll discuss some of the more common ways to protect yourself as the new home is being built. Hey, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to learn more about moving to Annapolis, Maryland, and all things about housing in Annapolis and the surrounding areas, then tap the button below and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when a new video is posted about Annapolis and the market. Hey, I'm Marie Parashak, and my husband John and I, we receive calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you who are wondering what Annapolis is like and how to make their move here. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, and send us an email, and we'll be happy to help you make a smooth transition to Annapolis, Maryland. Our contact information is in the About section below. Now let's get going. Need a realtor when buying a new construction home? The simple answer is no, you don't. But the smart answer is yes. A good agent can save you from losing money on your new build. Now, before we get into that, here's a quick fact that few know. When you are accompanied by your realtor, the builder pays the commission fee for the realtor. If you don't bring your buyer's agent on the very first visit, the builder will not deduct the commission from the cost of the house. So the cost of the house will be the same in either scenario. But more importantly, you've just forfeited your agent representing your interest when buying a new construction home. Hi, I'm Marie Parashak with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack Group. Please subscribe and hit the like button to keep me motivated to continue to bring you up-to-date real estate information. Let's get into how a real estate agent can help and protect you. Builders are notorious for making the most profit from items you may want that aren't included in the base price of the house. It's very exciting to pick out the options you may like, and the showroom salesman is happily encouraging you to add it now. Your realtor usually can offer you resource suggestions for some items that can be added after you close on the house that are less money than the builder's price. For example, on a personal note, when we were buying a new construction home, and naively without the realtor, I decided we wanted wood floors. The sales agent gave me a price double what I paid a flooring company after we closed on the house. Your realtor, knowing the market in your new area, may caution you that adding expensive items may make the house overpriced for the area. Let's face it, life happens, and you may find yourself needing to sell the house sooner than you thought. Don't get stuck having to bring money to the closing table or getting less equity back. Things that are permanent or expensive to replace should be evaluated for aftermarket resale. Over-improving a new home is a very common problem for buyers. Here's another. Builders almost always have their preferred lender with some incentives attached. Hopefully your buyer's agent has offered you other lender resources who can preview what the builder's offering versus any other mortgage program. Let these lenders show you the differences. This can literally save you thousands of dollars in the long run on your particular mortgage product. If you suddenly have to back out of the contract for an unexpected job transfer, does the builder's contract allow stipulations for the return of your deposit money? If not, you could realize the loss of your down payment. Ouch. Here's another. Should a new home buyer get their own inspections? That's actually a very good idea, and your realtor can suggest several that she's worked with who have good reputations. Builders and subcontractors will sometimes make mistakes. Having professionals to help navigate those issues is worth the extra cost. These are just some examples of the pitfalls of going it alone. I'm Marie Parashak, licensed realtor with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack Group. I specialize in Annapolis County, so if you have any questions, please contact me. And if you are looking to buy or sell a new home at any price point, I'd be more than happy to help. Be on the lookout for my additional new home construction videos and real estate market update.